Nestled on the shores of Lake Hayes, the Lake Hayes house by Crosson Architects stands as a masterclass in responding to the raw, dramatic beauty of Queenstown's Alpine terrain. The residence is strategically positioned on a flat, north-facing site, designed specifically to pull the panoramic views of Coronet Peak and the surrounding rolling hills into its very core. As Wyatt of Crosson Architects notes, the environment is one of profound tranquility, where the transition from snow-capped peaks to rugged rocky formations creates a natural theater for architecture. The exterior of the home pays homage to the Otago aesthetic, utilizing a palette of materials that mirror the harsh, beautiful landscape. Local schist and weathered Corten steel provide a rugged protective shell, ensuring the structure feels less like an imposition and more like a natural extension of the earth. This robust shell, however, gives way to a sophisticated interior transformation. By reconfiguring the internal planning, the architects created a cohesive, open-flow environment, punctuated by refined moments like hidden wine cellars and bars that elevate the daily living experience. Transitioning from a winding driveway, the home reveals itself through a generous, light-filled entry that replaces what was once an understated back door. The architectural heart of the house is the central gable pavilion, which features a spectacular double-height covered courtyard and a new dining extension. To maintain a sense of intimacy within the vastness of the site, the floor plan is split into dedicated wings for family and guests, ensuring that even in a home of such volume, the living spaces remain cozy and grounded. The interior warmth is largely defined by a meticulous selection of natural materials, most notably the use of Western red cedar and Artiste Grand Van Gogh timber flooring. These wide, brushed boards, with their gray-brown wash and hand-cut appearance, complement the large internal scales while providing a soft, tactile contrast to the stone exterior. For the designers and the inhabitants alike, the triumph of the project lies in its ability to be both refined and timeless, perfectly framing the stillness of the lake and the majesty of the mountains beyond.